Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. 4x5 black and white film, and well, as a matter of fact, I tried a couple times from last year, and I made like a watercolor image, illustration image. Well, this is third or fourth time challenge I try again, and I have this black and white image colorized today first. And then I'm gonna think about it if I'm gonna use this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used to filter confined edges. Nice pencil drawing type image, yeah, pretty much nice, sharp. So I may use later on, but today try to concentrate to paint it on colorize this black and white image. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna add layer, then I'm gonna use maybe 2 layers, one for change blend mode to color. Then I'm gonna add one more layer for normal, for paint. Well, I'm gonna paint on color blend mode first. Let's go from his skin tone. That's maybe around here, to airbrushing to medium blend. Even the same face, it's not all same colors. Some part has more yellow, some part has a little bit more reddish. Change some tone of the colors. Highlight has more touch yellowish, I think. Nice lighting, isn't it? Shows form of the shape. So nice. Alright, pretty much done for skin tones. I'm gonna touch up somehow. Okay, now go for shadow side. I mean this tuxedo. Well, tuxedo has more dark blue on the shadow side, I think. Then again, this highlight side, sun is hidden, so color has yellow in it. Okay, I don't want pretty much yellow on the highlight of this jacket area, because if it's too much yellow, it goes looks like old. So gotta get I don't want this to be too much yellow. It's just more cleaner. Now a little bit I want to change his lips, but I'm gonna change to I'm gonna paint on different this normal layer. Well, okay, now overall or model, okay. Now I go for background. Now overall, I'm gonna go this window light. I'm gonna paint on here. Okay. Now about this area has more density, so I'm gonna put the color on, blend more color, but I don't want to paint on same layer, otherwise hard to change the colors. So I'm gonna add another layer for background, then change the blend mode to color. Okay, then same brush, go with okay, almost done. Well, about this background color, I want to duplicate this layer and one for just turn it off to keep it. Now I want to change on this one. I want to change to 2 colors. It's many colors on this background color, so I'm going to erase. I like the bluer colors just fine. I'm going to erase this orange-ish. I just want to compare if I add some bluer color only. Let's see on this. Too much, maybe too much blue background. So second third, I want to try now. I want to try this layer, paint different color, like brownish. Well, more orange-ish, huh? Amber color background. Maybe this much. Well, a little more yellowish. Just shadow cast. Now I want to try some kind of smoke shape. Very top. Add layer. Let's find some interesting brush or something. Let's see. What do we have? Luminance. Maybe a light pen. Okay, let me see. This one. Abstract to membrane something. On this different layer. Yeah. Then I'm gonna okay, clear. Oops. Well, color-wise, I think the first one is, this one's too much orange, huh? Maybe tone down about 70. Yeah, I think this is interesting. Okay, maybe this first one. Let me see. Let me touch up some colors. Okay. Alright, that's for Colorize and smoke. I'm thinking about this. Just leave it this way. And last thing, I want to see this pencil drawing type image. Now change blend mode. Overlay. Luminosity. This is kind of interesting. Huh? Well, this is for next time. Just leave it. Maybe color burn. Okay. I had this original image and I add color on model. Colorize on skin tones and the face. Then some blue cast on the shadow side. Highlight side has a little bit yellowish on this model's color. Then I add background. I decide to use this one, first one. I changed to this little bit orange-ish warm amber color on background, but not this time. This time I choose this. Then add this window light, add layer, different, normal blend mode. Then I add smoke shape, first of all, just a line. Then after that I add these two, but I change the forms and stuff, but well, I'm gonna think about this. Well, that's it for today, and Colorize black and white. Make it some interesting color on background. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day. Let's be creative, and well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.